CEO of Asuman Motors, that's why. One Prophet Elijah Popo, and that's the song. And that's the one song. He's short after. One day, that's the one name. And yeah, also about the cancer. And the fight is a homegrown. That's what Papa. Number question, CEO of Asuman Motors. That's why. The hard working and the youngest reach.